said you've never been melted before. Your heart's never really
Begin by applying primer.
You don't think that I could make you liquid? I could make a love that's just so fluid. You said you've never been melted before. Never have you had your heart on the floor. I could do it. Well, I know I could do it. Maybe I'd surprise you.
Apply a color corrector to your skin, depending on your undertone.
Right
For me, I'm using a red color corrector.
I know I will. I know I will. I know I will.
Color correcting is going to hide all of your dark spots or maybe your acne scars, so I apply it under my eyes and to my cheeks where most of my acne scars are.
Never have you been impressed by all that? Don't need a girl who fucks with all the frets. Well, I don't. No, I don't.
Next, you're going to want to apply your foundation. For me, I'm using a moisturizer foundation so that it doesn't come out as cakey, but you can use whatever you want to.
Oh yes, I do. Well, I know I will. I know I will. I know I will. Impress you, I will. I know I will.
So next, you're going to want to apply concealer. I apply my concealer to my forehead, my under eyes, my nose, and my chin.
Well, I know I will. You said you've never been melted before. Your heart's never really dripped on the floor. You don't think that I could make you liquid? I could make a love that's just so fluid. You said you've never been melted before. Never have you had your heart on the floor. I could do it.
Now I'm just setting the areas that I just concealed, not necessarily to highlight them or make them look brighter, but just so that it doesn't end up making my face look cakey later in the day.
I know I will. I know I will. I know I will.
Next, you're going to want to use a flesh-toned eyeshadow color, something that's closest to your skin for your first layer of eyeshadow.
Never have you been impressed by all that? Don't need a girl who fucks with all the frets. Well, I don't.
I'm applying a brown-red tone over my nude tone to make my eyes look more sleepy. Then, to let my eyes pop a little bit more, I'm using a sparkly gel eyeshadow.
Got all of that depth, well I do. Oh yes, I do. Well, I know I will. I know.
I'm just gonna apply the same brown to my lower lash line.
I know I will.
Then I'm going to go in and just highlight the inner creases of my eyes to make them look a little bit brighter.
I will. I know.
So now I'm doing eyeliner. I don't know if I'm the only one who uses lipstick as eyeliner sometimes, but I'm using my brown lipstick as an eyeliner just so that I have a more soft look as opposed to a harsher one. And I should let it be known, during the fall season, I like to do a puppy eye just because I feel like the puppy one makes you look a little bit more cute and a little bit more soft and gentle.
Your heart's never really dripped on the floor.
Next, apply mascara.
You think that I could make you liquid? I could make a love that's just so fluid. You said you've never been melted before.
For this look, I feel it's important that you apply it to your lower lashes as well as your upper ones.
Well, I know I could do it.
And then I'm just applying a second layer of a more plumping mascara to make my my eyelashes look very big and very like prominent, so they really stand out.
I will.
So next is the part you all came here for. I think so. So this is the Igari part. Basically what you're gonna do is apply blush to your cheeks as much as you can, and then you can't forget to do it on top of your nose because that's where the whole like drunken look really comes from. You don't want to forget that the whole point of this is so that you look a little bit drunk. I don't know why it's a thing, but it's a thing. So what do they say now? Cool flex, bro. So personally, I like to use a second layer of blush on top of my first layer.
Looking for girls who've got all of that depth, well I do.
I think highlighting is very important for this look. You want to make yourself look like you're glowing. You're a glowing drunk.
I will. I know I will.
So if you know me, you know I'm extra. So personally, I like to add beauty spots to myself.
You, I will.
And then finally, lipstick. So I chose a brown lipstick because fall is very, you know, warm colors, browns, oranges, whatever.
I know I will. Well, I know I will. You said you've never been melted before.
And that's it. This is how you get the Igari fall autumn look that I've been advertising as seen here. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully it'll work out for you. And you should let me know in the comments below.
Hello. Hey. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully you enjoyed it. I know I haven't been posting as much as I used to, but if you want to keep up with me on social media, you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video or you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little bell. Until next time, bye.
I know I will. Well, I know